Hi my lovely loves! Today I'm going to be doing a really quick Boxycharm unboxing. So I got my Boxycharm in the mail yesterday and I didn't get a chance to open it, so I decided I would just open it today and do a quick unboxing video. This is my June Boxycharm box. I already know of a few things that are in here because I do follow Boxycharm on Instagram and Twitter, and they always post sneak peeks for the month. Anyways, I'm gonna open it now. I'm super excited because one of the sneak peeks made me super excited. It's what made me really want this month's box. So yeah, I'm excited to open it up and get my hands on that particular item. Just in case you guys don't know about Boxycharm, which I'm pretty sure you guys do. If you're a makeup lover, I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of it. It's a beauty subscription box and they send you 4 to 5, sometimes 6 full-size items for $21 a month. Usually everything in the box totals for over like $100. In my opinion, I think that Boxycharm is the best beauty subscription box out there. I was subscribed to Ipsy Glam Bag or Ipsy Bag for a short while. That one is $10 a month, but they always just sent me sort of like small sample size stuff. So I unsubscribed pretty quickly and I switched to Boxycharm a long time ago when they first came out. And yeah, I really like this one. 4 to 5 full-size products for $21 a month. That's a steal. Anyways, I'm gonna open the box now. Quit quit rambling on. Here's the little paper that it comes with, and this little paper has all of the products listed and their retail price and the theme. So this month's theme is Caribbean Queen. So this is the theme. Caribbean Queen. Everything that's in the box is listed in here. We're gonna take a look at that in a little bit, but first let's look at what's inside. I'm so excited. Here is the box. super excited to start taking things out. Okay, so it looks, this box is probably one of my favorite boxes ever. First thing I'm going to start off with are these Luxie brushes, Luxie beauty brushes. So this is their face, I think, face travel set or something. We have 3 Luxie beauty brushes. I'm gonna open them up, and these are face brushes. This is their 3-piece flawless complexion set, and it comes with the Luxie 660 precision foundation brush, which is this one. It's so pretty and they're so soft. We have number 522, the tapered highlighter brush. Ooh, so excited for this one. And these are super soft. Yes, I'm so excited. Okay, and lastly we have their 516 dual fiber powder brush. This is what it looks like. I love them. I love them. They're super cute, they're super soft, and I will for sure be using these. So let's see what the retail price is for the brushes. It says the Luxie 3-piece flawless complexion set retails for $42. So $42, that's already more than the subscription for the box. So that's a win right there. Next up we have some lashes. So these are Battington? There you go, Battington. These are Battington lashes. These are their Monroe 3D silk lashes, and I don't have any of their lashes, but here's what they look like. So here's what the lashes look like. They don't look too dramatic, but they might look different on. But I'm excited to try these as well. Who doesn't love falsies? I love falsies. I've never tried anything from the Battington Beauty brand or Battington brand, so I'm excited. Plus the packaging is super cute. It opens up like this. I'm just a klutz, sorry. Okay, the lashes retail for $28, so there you go. It says they're 3D multi-layered Battington Monroe silk lashes enhance your look with moderate length, adding a volume and length to your lashes. They're handmade with 100% silk and impressive durability. Up to, so it says you can wear those up to 25 times with proper care. That's a lot of times. So I'm excited about those. Moving on. So the next thing is this Jante Blue lip liner. And this one is in the color dark brown. Oh wait, I'm sorry, it's not a lip liner. This is a eyeliner. So this is an eyeliner. So I've gotten one of their products before in a Boxycharm, and last time it was a lip liner. So I just assumed it was a lip liner again, but it's not, it's an eyeliner this time. So this is a dark brown eyeliner. Let's see. So that's what it looks like. It glides on really easily. So I don't wear brown eyeliner that often. Most of the time I wear black, but I would definitely like to try this on days that I want like a more simple and natural look. So I will definitely be using that. Next up we have the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream, Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I don't know what this is for actually, but I heard people say it was good. It's a fast absorbing body cream, helps tighten and smooth like no other. So there you go, it's a body cream, and this is a small size of it, I think. I'm gonna open it up and see if it has a scent. Actually, I can already smell it. It smells really good. It smells like cake. Bum bum cake. No, but really, it smells really sweet. So I'm gonna try this out and see if I like it. If not, then I might just give it away to a family member. But I did see people raving about this, so I think I'll probably like it. I forgot to say the retail price for the Jante Blue eye pencil. So the retail price for that is $5, so it's super affordable, even on its own. Sol de Janeiro cream is, let's see. So that one says it retails for $10. I think it's the size. It depends on the size you get. So that's like probably the smallest size. But it says it's Brazilian Bum Bum Cream inspired by the Brazilians' favorite feature, the Bum Bum. It says it's creamy and rich in guarana, a native Amazonian plant whose fruit contains one of the most potent forms of caffeine. It says it helps your body look and feel its smoothest and tightest. So I think I am going to try it out. I don't know if I'm going to try it out on my bum bum, but we'll see. I'm excited to try it anyways. Okay, next up we have a Ofra liquid lipstick, and this one is in Verona. I do have a couple Ofra Cosmetics liquid lipsticks, but I don't think I have this shade. So it looks like a pretty shade. It looks like a mauve nude or like a brownish nude. So I'm going to swatch it really quick. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. So this is a really pretty color. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this. So the retail price for the Ofra liquid lipstick is $21. I've arrived to the last thing in the box, which is what I was the most excited for. I was just dying to get my hands on this. So last but certainly not least is the Alamar Cosmetics Eyeshadow Palette. So here is the packaging. So pretty and bright. Look at that beauty right there. Here's the inside. And look at those beautiful, beautiful shades. I've seen this palette on Instagram and I've seen swatches, and it's so pigmented and pretty, and the colors are just so vibrant, and like it's just perfect for like summer and all the time actually. Also, this is a Latina owned brand, Hispanic owned. Hispanic, I think their company or their workers are all Hispanic as well. And actually another thing is the founder or the CEO or the creator of the brand, she works with Boxycharm, and now she came out with her own brand, which is Alamar Cosmetics, and I think this is a really great palette. I was super excited when they revealed that they were going to be having it in this month's Boxycharm. I was like just so excited to get my hands on it. So there she is, and I'm gonna do some quick swatches on my hand. or probably this hand, since this hand has some swatches already, just so you guys can see how pretty the colors are. I just finished swatching all of the shades and they're literally so pretty. So there's 4 shimmery shades and then 4 matte shades. And these are not the best swatches, but you guys can see I messed up on the last one, but look at those shimmer shades. They're so pretty. Look at this color right here. So vibrant and beautiful. So there are the shades in that palette right there. Alamar Cosmetics. The palette is called Reina del Caribe Eyeshadow Palette Volume 1. Palette retails for $28 originally. It says this palette features 8 highly opaque shades reminiscent of the beauty and culture of Cuba. Dive into the pigments and pearls found in the intense metallics or ground your look with the warm richness of the creamy mattes. For a more intense application, refer to the shade names that feature a water droplet that can be used with a wet brush. Oh, some of them can also be used wet. The sun symbol for application with a dry brush. So that's a neat little feature. Oh, that's so cool. The shimmer shades all have the little droplet. Those can be used wet or dry. And then the matte shades all have the little sun symbol. They also have really cute names. So this one is La Costa. This one is El Malecón. This one is Varadero, Celia, Cocotaxi, Trópico, Guantanamera, and Cafecito. So they're all Spanish names. So that was the last thing in this month's Boxycharm. I'm so excited for everything. I loved everything in this month's box. This definitely goes on my list of favorite Boxycharm boxes ever. So let me know if you guys are subscribed to Boxycharm and if you like this month's box, or if you didn't, or if you got different things or anything. I don't know. Also let me know if you guys want me to do a video where I try everything on my face, a Boxycharm try on type video. Anyways, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys in my next video.